Welcome, lords and ladies, to the dance of the damned. Please take your partners. One, two, three, step to the side. In this ballroom of iron, there's nowhere to hide. The chandeliers rattle with every bass drum kick. The atmosphere's heavy, the tension